Its tariff rate on most Chinese goods is actually 145%, up from 125%.
All businesses, big and small, will suffer from day one.
I know what the hell I'm doing.
Trump's tariffs on China may have just killed dropshipping forever. And unless you've been living under a rock, you've seen the headlines, you've seen what the tariffs are all about. Trump, as of 13 hours ago, now raised the tariff from all products coming in from China to the US from 125% to 145%. That means a lot for dropshipping, and I've never seen it get this close to dropshipping dying. So in this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know on what these tariffs will do for your dropshipping business, how I am personally handling these Trump tariffs, and my future predictions of what may happen next. Now, I've been waiting a few weeks to make this video because I knew during the first week or two, the negotiations were going to be wild. And as I predicted, the tariffs just continue to raise every other day. And at this point, Trump has issued a 145% on all Chinese goods coming in from China into the US. Now, as you can see, here is the article that was just published. According to the White House, this is now into effect. Now, here's one thing that you need to know. This does not apply to dropshipping because there is a rule that states anything under $800 in total value of goods does not get charged this tax, this tariff. Now, who does this apply to? Really, any big e-commerce seller that's bringing in big bulk items from China into the US and ship out products from their US warehouse. But of course, if the products are one-off parcels, then this doesn't apply to the dropshippers and will take effect on May 2nd of 2025. Now, if you're watching this video before May 2nd, you need to pay attention because this video will make or break you in the next 6 months. So here's the article that the White House published. And to summarize it, it talks about how Trump removed this de minimis rule because, quote unquote, he's scared about people smuggling drugs into these small parcels. As you can see on the bottom of this article, he says, "We will not rest until we ended the drug addiction crisis." But let's be real. The reason why Trump is doing this is because he wants leverage over China. He wants them to bend their knees and literally beg for them to make a deal with the US. Now, whether or not that will happen, we're going to find out. Now, what are the fees going to be imposed on the dropshippers starting May 2nd? And that is unclear, but it's showing here how it's either going to be 30% of the total value or $25 per item. So let me break that down for you. If, for example, your product cost is $10, if it's 30%, it will raise from $10 to $13. If it's $25 per item, then it will raise from $10 to $35. Now, that is a big jump, and what exactly happens with the fees, we will find out on May 2nd. Now, it's important that you actually use a private supplier to handle your fulfillment, because if you don't, then you will actually be in massive trouble if you use, let's say, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, any of these other softwares that are not up to date on the policies. You do not want to get your package stuck into US Customs because that will be a nightmare. Instead, it's best to use a private supplier like, say, Commercive, which I'll leave in the description below. Now, yesterday, Trump put a pause on all the tariffs except for China. And this is why it's so important to keep updated on this storyline and the policies and the tariffs, because things can change at any second, which is exactly what we're seeing happen. Trump is clearly using this whole tariff situation as a way to negotiate with countries to get what he wants, which is America in a better tariff situation. And it's been working. All these countries have been calling him to make deals with the tariff, except for China. Now, there's two things that potentially can happen, and I'm going to show you what you should be doing right now in your dropshipping store to avoid these tariffs. Option number one is that China and the US finally come to an agreement, and that can happen in the next few days, in the next 24 hours, or it can take months. Option number two, China or the US is just super stubborn and they don't cave in, and the tariff for China just gets higher and higher and higher. And if that happens, we are in for a lot of trouble. And I'm not just saying in our dropshipping business. For a global economy, about 20% of USA's goods actually come from China. So imagine 20% of items in your house go up double. That would really hurt consumers throughout the US, and that is something that I don't think China or the US want to happen. So hopefully before May 2nd, they actually make a deal. Now, here is what I am doing inside of my dropshipping businesses to continue to scale with no issues. I want you to remember that dropshipping is actually the best business model right now, even with the tariffs because we have the opportunity to pivot faster than everyone else. I know Amazon sellers, big brand sellers that ship inside the US are now freaking out because they rely on just one country, the US. And if the US cannot get product from China, but they are in big trouble. However, for dropshippers, we are known to be able to sell to any country in the entire world. US is just one major one, but we still have a few others that I am now starting to pivot and focus on. Now, as you can see inside my Facebook ads manager, I am now segmenting my campaigns by country. And each one of these CBOs are actually targeting a different country. As you can see, I have one for the US, I have one for Australia, I have one for United Kingdom, and I have one for Canada. And what you'll realize is there's a lot of countries that you can target when it comes to dropshipping that are actually going to give you better results than the US. Because if your product is being sold in the US and you're able to target other countries because you're dropshipping, you can find certain pockets of countries that will work way better and that you can scale in. So now is the time to start testing those countries for your e-commerce products. We have an advantage that no other business has. We are a global business. We can sell to any market and any country. This tariff will not stop us. In fact, things like this will literally separate the noobs from the people that absolutely crush it. I've been in the game for 7 years, and since day one, people have been telling me dropshipping is going to die. But did it? No. It just got bigger and better every single year that I've been in the game. And after doing millions of dollars in sales, I've seen what the people at the top do that the people at the bottom ignore. And it's that the media and people all around us want to stop us from success. And when the news outlets come up with tariffs and all these other things that want to stop us from actually succeeding in the dropshipping world or quit and go to another business model, that is a time where you're going to be able to excel. Think about it. How many people are freaked out about these tariffs who are literally going to stop dropshipping, turn off their ads, and go to another business model? A lot. And guess what? If they do that, perfect. Less competition for us, and less competition, less ad costs, more sales, more growth, more scale. Now, the second thing that I'm focusing on is high margin product that I don't have to worry about tariffs. For example, the product I'm selling right now, I'm getting for $15 and I'm selling it upwards to $100 on my website. Now, for me, even if the tariff goes ahead and adds $5, $10, $15 to my cost of goods, I still have an upwards of a $70 profit margin. And the people selling on Amazon or eBay who have a 2x margin, they will be crushed and destroyed. Now, you're probably wondering to yourself, how in the world am I able to sell products for 5 to 10 times of what I'm getting it for? And it's all because of the branded approach that I take inside of my stores. When you go into my dropshipping stores, you can't even tell I'm dropshipping. In fact, it looks like we created the product and it looks like we are the main brand for that product. So I want you to keep this in mind. Go to your website and ask yourself, does it look like a real brand? Does it look like the company that created your product? And what would you need to do to 5 times the price on your website? So if you're selling a product for $30 on your website, how can you sell it for $100? And that will come through the branded approach, creating irresistible offers, maybe adding free gifts, and making sure your website looks clean and like a real brand. And this is why me and my students are able to crush it inside our e-commerce businesses, no matter what happens with these tariffs. Of course, I will keep you updated on any news headlines or any updates with the tariffs. Make sure you get prepared right now. And everything you need will be in the description below when it comes to your private supplier. And if you want to apply to have me as a mentor so I can help you through this massive change where either people are going to crush it or people are going to be left behind, go ahead and go to the description, book a call with me or my team, or just go to my Instagram and DM me, and I look forward to chatting soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay strong.